Slime is one of the most popular DIY projects today. It's fun for kids and can be therapeutic for adults. But many people forget that this is an excellent example of chemistry at work. Making your own slime is easy. Here are some materials you may need. A medium bowl, a millimeter measuring cup, 50 milliliters of warm water, a tablespoon of sodium tetraborate, 60 millimeters of white glue, wooden stick, spoon. Food coloring is optional. Glitter is optional.
Fill a disposable cup with 25 milliliters of warm water. Using a spoon, scoop out 1 leveled spoonful of sodium tetraborate and pour into the cup of water. Stir the solution with the spoon until the sodium tetraborate dissolves. Set aside.
Fill a second cup with 25 milliliters of warm water. Measure and pour 16 milliliters of white glue into the second cup of warm water. Stir with the stick until the glue is thoroughly mixed in. Do not stir with the plastic spoon, as the sodium tetraborate on the spoon will make the glue solution start to transform. Add 1 to 2 drops of blue dye and stir until evenly mixed. The more drops you add, the darker the color will be. Mix in half of the glitter.
Slowly pour the sodium tetraborate solution into the glue solution. Stir until you get the right consistency and all of the water is absorbed.
Repeat the steps above with purple dye to create a purple slime.
Now mix the blue and purple slime together to get a cool, sparkly, galaxy slimy gloop. Borax, the special soap that is our second chemical, is a mineral made of sodium borate monomers in a crystalline structure which is ground into powder. Since both the borax and the glue are first mixed with water, when you combine the two, they interact through hydrogen-water bonding. The glue and the borax mix together to create the slime, which is a matrix polymer rather than a linear polymer.